What if one trailer could move heavy machines with power, precision, and total control? Meet the Pavelli STV Jazz, a truck innovation built to handle the toughest transport jobs. The Pavelli STV Jazz is a powerful semi-trailer designed to transport vehicles and heavy machinery with maximum efficiency. Built with a durable, galvanized steel frame, it's engineered to withstand the toughest working conditions. Its advanced air suspension system delivers smoother rides and better stability, even with heavy loads. Hydraulically operated ramps allow quick and effortless loading, saving both time and effort on the job site. The extendable chassis adapts easily to different cargo sizes, while remote-controlled functions give operators greater precision and control. With BPW or SAF axle compatibility for improved maneuverability, the Pavelli STV Jazz stands as a smart, reliable solution for modern heavy transport. Truck on!
What if a trailer could haul massive timber through rough forests without breaking a sweat? Meet the DAF Logo 12K, built for the toughest forestry missions. The DAF Logo 12K is a powerful timber semi-trailer engineered for demanding forestry transport. Part of DAF's advanced Logo series, it features a high-strength FEM-optimized steel frame that delivers exceptional stability while keeping the trailer lightweight. With a tare weight starting at just around 5.3 tons, operators can maximize payload without sacrificing durability or safety. The reinforced front wall provides extra protection during heavy timber loading, ensuring reliable performance in tough environments. Its smart modular design allows flexible adjustments for different log lengths, typically up to 14 meters. Strong, adaptable, and built for extreme conditions, the DAF Logo 12K is a trusted solution for modern timber transport.
What if your truck could warn you before you drift out of your lane? Meet the smart safety innovation from DAF. The DAF Lane Departure warning system is a smart safety technology designed to keep truck drivers alert and on track. Using a forward-facing camera, the system constantly scans road lane markings while the truck is in motion. If the vehicle begins to drift out of its lane without signaling, the system instantly alerts the driver with a clear warning. This quick notification helps the driver correct their position before a dangerous situation develops. It's especially valuable during long highway journeys where fatigue or distraction can occur. Working alongside advanced features like adaptive cruise control and emergency braking, DAF's system enhances awareness, boosts safety, and supports more confident driving. Reversing a huge trailer in tight spaces? What if your trailer could steer itself? Meet BPW Active Reverse Control. BPW Active Reverse Control is a smart electro-hydraulic steering system designed to make reversing self-steering trailers easier and safer. When the trailer moves backward at low speeds, the system automatically controls the self-steering axle, helping drivers maneuver smoothly through tight construction sites, narrow streets, and crowded yards. This intelligent technology improves stability and gives drivers precise control during difficult reversing situations. The system is lightweight and features a simple plug-and-play installation requiring minimal trailer modification. Newer versions can even enhance maneuverability while driving forward. By reducing tire wear, lowering steering strain, and saving valuable time, BPW Active Reverse Control boosts efficiency, safety, and productivity for modern transport operations.
Covering a flatbed truck used to take time and risk, but this smart tarp system changes everything. Meet the Cramaro Tarpall. The Cramaro Tarpall is an innovative flatbed tarp system designed to make truck loading faster, safer, and more efficient. Its durable folding tarpaulin smoothly slides along side rails, giving operators full access to the entire flatbed from either side. This makes loading bulky cargo like steel coils, timber, and pallets far easier and quicker. The system uses maintenance-free wheels and can be operated manually from ground level, reducing the need for drivers to climb onto the trailer and improving job site safety. At the same time, the strong tarp protects cargo from rain, dust, and harsh weather. Reliable, practical, and time-saving, the Cramaro Tarpall is a smart solution for modern flatbed transport.
What if truck mirrors disappeared and cameras made driving safer? Meet the Freightliner Cascadia MirrorCam system. The Freightliner Cascadia MirrorCam system replaces traditional side mirrors with advanced exterior cameras and digital displays inside the cab. Cameras mounted above the truck doors capture a wide, crystal-clear view of the road and blind spots, sending real-time images directly to interior screens. This smart setup improves visibility and reduces the need for constant head movement, helping drivers stay comfortable during long hauls. Infrared technology and hydrophobic lens coatings keep the cameras clear in rain, darkness, and harsh weather conditions. Its aerodynamic camera design also reduces wind resistance, improving fuel efficiency. Combined with safety features like side guard assist, MirrorCam enhances driver awareness, comfort, and road safety. What if cleaning a massive truck took just minutes instead of hours? Meet the Smart Fleet Cleaning Solution. Dixon Truck and Trailer Washing. Dixon Truck and Trailer Washing brings a modern, efficient approach to fleet maintenance. Instead of slow, manual scrubbing, these advanced facilities use automated and semi-automated wash systems powered by high-pressure water and eco-friendly detergents. In just minutes, the system removes dirt, road salt, oil, and debris from trucks and trailers, keeping fleets clean and well-maintained. Regular professional washing not only improves vehicle appearance, but also helps prevent corrosion and long-term damage. It's especially important for refrigerated and food-grade trailers that must meet strict hygiene standards. By saving time, reducing labor, and delivering consistent results, Dixon washing systems help fleets stay reliable, compliant, and road-ready. What if covering a truckload was as simple as pressing a button? Meet the Smart Transport Innovation. Cramp Alu Top. The Cramp Alu Top is a modern truck cover system that replaces traditional tarps with a hydraulically operated aluminum roof. Built for speed, durability, and efficiency, it offers strong cargo protection while simplifying daily transport operations. The aluminum roof closes tightly onto the trailer body, helping meet strict load-securing regulations while shielding cargo from rain, wind, and sunlight. Its lightweight aluminum construction keeps extra weight low, allowing trucks to maintain excellent payload capacity. Hydraulic cylinders provide smooth, fast, and low-maintenance operation, saving valuable time during loading and unloading. Reliable, efficient, and built for modern logistics, the Cramp Alu Top delivers smarter cargo protection for today's trucking industry.